So how can you hide the Google Meet call history on the iPhone call logs? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, inside of the phone app, you obviously can see the history like the FaceTime calls and the Google Meet videos and all of that, right? So obviously you can swipe left on it and it will be like put away in the trash, but that's not the only way you can do this. You can also click on Edit in the top left corner and select multiple of the entries at once, so you save some time right there by selecting multiple at the same time, right, and deleting it this way. Or if you want to be a bit more precise with it, you can tap on the search bar and literally type in Meet, right? So only the Google Meet videos will show, and you can obviously just swipe left on those as well and delete them from the call logs like that, right? So you can see it does work out at the end. You just have to find the proper way to do this. And the last thing I would go is to tap on the filtering options in at the top right, and you can set up and manage filterings, right? So you can, for example, only show the calls from your favorites or whatever, right? You can see plenty of options are available in here, right? So you get to set up the filtering and everything is as shows up, right? So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments if you manage to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope we'll get to see you later in the next videos as well, but that is if you subscribe, so make sure you do that, and I'll see you later in the next videos.